Guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Petra, and in case you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. On today's video, I'm going to do my hair finally after procrastinating, and then we shall see what else after that. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Petra, and in case you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to our new small family. Yeah, we are still growing. I hope you'll be part of us as we still make progress on this channel. On today's video, I finally made my hair. I left you guys on an intro yesterday. I have some little videos of the progress of the braiding, and yeah, we shall put it somewhere there and then let you guys how it went yesterday. I finished with the salon yesterday, did some deliveries. I didn't tag you guys with me. There were a ton of deliveries. I ended up getting so tired, that's why I forgot to film. But next time I do deliveries, I'll have a video for a day in my life as an online seller for you guys to see how the day goes with deliveries and stuff. Yeah, that was it for yesterday, and today I'm just indoors. The weather is too chilly and I didn't have deliveries for today, so yeah, I will just be here, maybe have a day in my life with you guys if I manage to. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is how the hair turned out. These are butterfly locks. I forgot the braids that I used for this, but if I recall the name of the braids, I'll write them down in the description box, or I'll take a picture and put it somewhere on the video. So thank you for watching, guys. Let's unbox the new kitchen appliance together. Yeah, as we continue to get more items for the kitchen, I'll be unboxing with you guys. Bye. Before I forget, guys, I wanted to also plug you with my affiliate Jumia link that you can shop with. Once you click on the link, it will direct you to Jumia, and then you can purchase anything that you want from the app, and I get a commission for that. And I'll be posting, in case there are offers, on my Instagram page stories, so that you can have easy knowledge of available ideas on Jumia. Some people don't actually refresh the app frequently, so I guess plugging you guys with the available deals will be a good idea on my Instagram status or stories, if I may say. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Finally unboxed the air fryer. Yeah, once I'm able to use it, I'll show you guys how whatever I've cooked will turn out. Yep. Hi guys, we're done with the unboxing. Now I've decided to restock some rice soaps for the shop. I guess they were running out, so yeah, after the restock maybe I'll do some lunch and call it a day.